It's actually glassy as grub. Holy shit, that feels bad.
I've been painting every fence I know, every color bleeds into the same. Cause before you go and walk away, yeah, you better know where you're going. Hey, yeah, yeah. You're a wonder, just like me. Hey, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you better know where you're going.
G'day guys, welcome back to another video. Today is a long weekend and Eli and I have just shot off the beach for the day. So today we're gonna get up to, we don't really know what we're going to get up to actually. We don't really know what we're gonna get up to today. Hopefully we can find a wave or maybe go for a dive off the headland or something. But either way, it's gonna be an awesome day because this is where we are. Bloody amazing. So stay tuned, we'll get right into it. What are you doing?
Taking a surf hike.
Right out there. Alright, so we took the walk up here. We couldn't cross the lagoon, the tide's too high. But we've got some awesome little peelers to ourselves. We found this little bank and it's just some awesome ones rolling through.
Give it all away before the river follows through. There's nothing you can say that tells me why I wait for you. I'm waiting on a change, 'cause I know what I got into. Physically drained from pouring out my soul to you. Ooh, ooh, yeah, keep pulling away, but you keep calling my name. I hear you. Your voice is all I can take. When you keep calling my name, I hear you.
So good! That was epic. Holy. He's just chilling. Eli and I have been working on something for a while now. We've got a heap of footage saved up, and we're sort of doing like a big video of all our stuff combined. So we're working on a few final touches before that's released, but that should be up in the next couple of weeks.
I'm not over you. I don't wanna need to.
You're like a mountain dog.
I need you. When I hear you, I'm not over you. I don't wanna need to.
So I think we're going to start making our way back down the beach, but on our way down Heathy's going to just go out there and pick up a bit of rubbish on our way down. Could probably fill the ute how dirty the beach is at the moment. It's pretty ridiculous. Heathy's on clean up duty. Looking
out for rubbish. I see some.
Get it. And he's off. Oh.
So much fork and rubbish.
So yeah guys, whenever you're up the beach, you know, enjoying yourselves and enjoying what, you know, Queensland has to offer, I guess. Make sure you know, pick up your rubbish and take whatever you brought home with you and leave the beach exactly how you found it. If not better.
Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright, had no need to fight tonight. Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright, had no need to fight tonight.